Hey DIY Clubbers, today you're getting a 2-for-1 with our HelloFresh from Page to Plate. We're going to be making a sweet corn and green pepper chowder and mighty mushroom tortilla melts. Stay tuned. Now, as y'all know we start by washing our veggies, and then we'll go ahead and dice according to the instructions on the HelloFresh card. And then once we get all of our veggies prepped, we'll go ahead and add in the green peppers, the scallion whites, and then a little bit of salt and pepper to just some regular butter on the stove, making sure they get soft. Then we're going to add in the flour, the milk, a splash at a time until it is fully incorporated, and a cup and a half of water. Once that gets to boiling, we're going to add in our potatoes, our stock concentrates, and a half of the Old Bay seasoning. Now, while that is boiling up, we're going to go ahead and prepare our butter and make our toast. And you're just going to add in a little bit of that Old Bay seasoning to the butter and just a little bit of sugar. Mix it up well and apply it to your bread and set aside. Now we'll be able to go ahead and mash our potatoes because they should be tender at this point. And then we're going to add in our cream cheese, our corn, our Monterey Jack, and make sure that it is fully incorporated. And we're going to stir and add that back to the stove. We're going to also add in a few splashes of water just to make sure that the chowder is at the right consistency. So now we're going to move on to our next meal, our mighty mushroom tortilla melts. And of course, we're going to start the same process, washing and chopping up all of our produce, making sure that we go by the instructions on the HelloFresh card. And then, of course, if you decide that you want to switch things up and kind of add your own flavor and touch to the recipes, please do, because that's what makes cooking fun. But we're going to go ahead and start by adding some olive oil to a skillet and cooking our onions. And we just want to make them sweat and get kind of soft. Then we're going to go ahead and create our crema. You're going to go ahead and add sour cream, some of the fry seasoning, some lemon juice, some salt and pepper, and then just go ahead and mix that together. Next, we're going to saute our mushrooms. So you'll add those to the same pan that you use to saute your onions. And you'll add in some stock concentrate, some water, some of the fry seasoning, and salt and pepper. And then I always throw in like some garlic powder, onion powder, just a few extra things to make it taste good. And then you're going to clean out your pan because it's time to prepare the tortillas. So you'll go ahead and assemble, adding all your cheeses, your mushrooms, your onions, and then you're just going to get them nice and toasty, letting the cheese fully melt. And there you have it. That completed our sweet corn and green pepper chowder. Add a little green onion and some sour cream, and that is dinner completed. These meals were so quick and easy, and they literally took no time at all. These were some of the quicker meals that I've made from HelloFresh. And I'm not sure why mine was a little bit darker than the picture, but I guess it just had a little more seasoning and flavor. And then for our completed product of our mighty mushroom tortilla melts and our caramelized onion and apple salad, both meals were equally as tasty. It was a new experience trying apples in my salad, but it actually was not bad, and I quite enjoyed it. And the crema tasted really good, really fresh, and added a brightness to the meal. I would definitely say you should try these two from HelloFresh.